You care more about likes than your own dignity. I'm sending you to Dagestan.
Dagestan?
2 or 3 years and forget.
Dad, please.
No excuses.
Dad, who is this?
He's Khabib. Yo, Khabib, take this shit out of my eyes.
2-3 years, Dagestan, forget.
Dad, please.
Come, brother. Time to go. I can't breathe.
Breathe, brother. One foot, then the other. Again, keep moving.
You lost, brother, but you learned.
Get up, brother. One more. Good. Rest now.
Harder. Use your hips, brother. Better. Again.
Now lock it, brother. Finish him. Ah! I give up! Tap, tap. That's it. Good fight.
You too.
Yo, Habib, why you called me? And where is my son?
Dad, that's me, your son.
No way, son, you changed. I'm proud of you.